Everyone is craving for this chicken. So, dinala ko sila dito kasi nga gustong-gusto nila ma-try to. Viral kasi to ngayon dito sa Marikina. Daming tao din. We're waiting for our order. Medyo matagal din kasi madaming orders. Madaming nakapila. Finally, after almost 1 hour of waiting, nandito na yung food. Let's try. This is not very healthy, but minsan lang. Mac and cheese. How is it? Good? Yeah, we're trying the loaded chicken. How is it? Look at the reaction. Ito na, naserve na lahat yung order namin. Ayan, enjoy Kido. Sabi nila, so good. Pero ako, parehong lasa lang sa akin, chicken. Chick chicken. Chicken. Favorite to ng mga kids. Kasi hindi siya maalat. Ito yung overload nila na may mac and cheese at saka fries. Gusto niya yan ha?